got to be some way to get
Not so long now. Lay down and waste away.
Area secure.
What a place.
I already went in here, didn't I?
Hádám, že se k vám asi donesly ty špatné zprávy z komplexu útulek, co? Že někdo zabil Talosera a oni se teď bouřejí.
It's not what I expect of a police department, especially the police department in Human Revolution was much better than this. Let me sort my stuff out again. So this can go on 6, 7, fudge. 8, 9? No, that doesn't go on. Holocide, I can combine that now. What? Doesn't it go on? The reflex holographic weapon slight is a non-magnifying gun that maximizes the operator's peripheral vision and guarantees faster target acquisition. This is done by slightly improves the weapon's accuracy and helps to counter attack the effects of recoil. Fine, I'll let it. I thought the holo sight was for the tranquilizer, and it showed like it showed you like where they were going to be since the tranquilizer's slow a little. But okay, I guess that works as well. Is there any other place to investigate in this place? The music box. Did I check all the apartments here?
Hello?
I'm gonna check all the apartments. Doop-a-doop-a-doo.
Sir?
Okay, let's start by room. Let's start by floor 1 or floor 2, technically.
Anomaly detected. Trace program initiated. Access granted.
Oh, haven't I been here then? Mr. Peeble, thank you for the recent communication on behalf of the Palisade Property Bank. I'd like to extend our sympathies for your situation. We can confirm that we've already established contact with your father's attorney and conduct the necessary steps to include you as an interim legal account holder under the terms of the VIP account terms and conditions. When you come to the bank, we can help by offering some time with the Palisade representative that can explain how the bank works and what. Yeah. Look forward to meeting you and thank you for being a customer. Oh, I got a code from that. Cool. Oh, hi. You just go, updating your parents, and my life feels like it exploded. Yeah, I'm not gonna read all that. Got a code though.
Who?
The fuck? Okay. Let's, see if there's anything else. No. Nice. Okay, let's continue.
Anomaly detected. Trace program initiated. Access granted.
Human presence detected.
Whoa! What the fuck? They got a voice act thing.
Human presence detected. Engaging smart home system.
Anomaly detected. Trace program initiated.
Unauthorized presence confirmed. Intruder.
Oh, come on.
Access granted.
Smart home interface register access confirmed. Scanning your biodata. Languages, environment, security.
Security is of utmost importance.
Open wall panels.
Your secrets are laid bare.
Please select
Would you
languages.
rather I sounded different?
Hire cleaning service.
I'm sure they'll be happy to comply.
Okay, what did that do? This place is a mess. It does need a cleaning service.
Opponents are saying the Human Restoration Act is a step back. Please, social justice
Fuck.
warriors fail to see the bigger picture.
You should
Hi.
consider that. It's highly recommended.
I heard bad things about neon. Oh god, I don't think it's as harmless as people say it is. Please, Ilonka, just because you get invited somewhere doesn't mean you have to go. Peta
Between augmented and
or Peter. I think I've seen that name before.
it's become we need a timeout. Attention.
Where's this secret vault thing? What the fuck?
It's horrifying. They want to feel safe again, and the Human Rest.
Well, there you have it, folks. It sounds
Welcome
like
to
UN
your
Resolution
smart home
3501.
system.
Another order already, John? Alright, man, we're just happy to like you, that you like this stuff.
Thank you, Dr. Green.
Someone will take care of your apartment as soon as it's possible. Don't worry about sticking around, we will know how to get in. I suggest you go for a walk, take care of anything you need to take care of. Once you get back, you'll find your package on the bed.
Like this news.
Hell, we'll even clean the place for you just to keep up appearance. I'm Singus. P.S. You're coming to the Neon Rave, right? I'll slip you an extra key card in case you want to bring. Last night. My god, John, what happened last night? I mean, I've heard bad things of bad neon trips before. People that see pitch black instead of color, but nothing like what happened to that augmented girl. I haven't seen one of them react that way since... Any idea who she was? Please tell me you got rid of the body. If not, maybe you call that secret service of yours. They're supposed to be cleaners, right? A black bird in a courtyard whispered something funny to me yesterday. It said you're quite the rainbow pisser. Funny, I've never been invited to your party. Even funnier that we've never met. My people are the only ones authorized by the Diwali to distribute neon. If you're buying from someone else, I need to know who and I need to know where. Either I find out who's been dealing behind my back, or you'll be pissing worse than rainbows. Rumor has it that Bon Bon and her gang has been sniffing around for both of us. If she contacts you, I don't want you to get scared. Remember, we're the ones with someone inside. We're the ones who control neon, and we're the ones who deserve to get rich. It's important that we look out for each other. If you need anything, you know how to get in touch. Well, I'm gonna go for a train ride, and maybe they'll be back. So... I'm gonna unlock all these doors first, actually. I remember this place. And I remember this place as well. Well, those were the only two places I had to break into. Guess I am going for a walk. So, yeah, be right back.
Get out of here, freak, now!
Welcome home.
It's clean!
It's doesn't get any cleaner than this.
Suspicion aimed at them.
It's clean!
Horrifying. They want to feel safe.
Ooh, and the body's gone.
Well, there you have it, folks. It sounds like
Ooh, neon card. A neon key card with the words lucrative courtyard on it. It got delivered inside a swan towel after I hired local cleaning service.
solution the world is looking for.
And I know where that leads. At least I have a pretty good idea. I think this is what they call a rave card, and if it is,
Sir,
then yeah.
Nemůžu se dočkat, až odsud zmizím.
Hello. I am so sorry. They got drummed.
I feel strange. I saw an orc try to take Neon once. It was ugly. See the music.
Yeah, orgs, if they're having neuropazine, unlike us, have bad outcomes when they have neon. Because the neon doesn't mix with the neuropazine.
We are our weaknesses.
Bet you had some nice moves. Well, you can mix neon with some things. And others? Absolutely not.
It's the age of delivery. Anything you can dream, you can get delivered.
You looking for neuropathy? Wrong kind of party, Og.
So shiny.
This music, killjoy. Like it's become part of me.
Move it, shake it.
I watched him convulse.
It was an accident.
I would have helped him if I could.
Help too.
I watched him convulse. I watched him die.
There's nothing we could do about it. Neon and neuropazine don't mix. You should have known better.
You're saying this? This happens to all of them. Any org that takes this shit.
You make it sound like some fucking conspiracy. Don't mix your bets. That's all it means. Now get over it. We didn't even know the guy.
Anomaly detected. Trace program initiated. Access granted.
Sorry, mate. I'm investigating. Ooh. Draco, I've been looking everywhere for someone that will sell us neuropazine. My search led me to a computer by Pilgrim Station. There's an apartment with a swan on the door. Inside is a secret room that proves that this little cleaning service is actually a front for moving drugs. I didn't find any neuropazine, but I did learn something valuable. The reason no one wants to sell neon to an augmented is because it is fatal to anyone with neuropazine in their system. Please make sure you stay away from it. Tell as many friends as you can. Little problem, mate. Ugh. Starts with D. No, it's not what you think it is. It's death. Oh. Ah, come on. Ho 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 ho. So there was a secret way here all along. Where's the breaker for it? I can't find it. Never mind.
Okay, you with the sunglasses.
Oh, I'm
Come
watching
here.
you, friend. No.
Oh, it's you.
Welcome back.
Sure. Okay, just make sure they don't know I'm a cop. Take the package to my apartment near Maxime's. It's above the cleaning place. I'm out this evening. I'm still going ahead with tomorrow's schedule. Good cop, bad cop. What else did I get because of that? What do you call it? A filthy rich trader with a lot of credits to throw around. He owns the flashy apartment above the Rabbit in Sisty. Make sure it's a natural dealing with his account because the guy seriously hates augments. Whatever. Terminated. Underground parking lot. Lock D19. Passcode. Stuff. I've already been there. So for now, I need to head somewhere. Cleaning supply. That's where I need to go. Another faceless message from Kazatel, the information seller. Hopefully I'm not wasting my time checking out a small leads like this. Pocket Secretary gave me a mention to cop up to something mysterious in Prague. Why am I not surprised? The cop was talking with something around named Jacinta and mentioned apartment from Maxime's above the cleaning place.
Just make it through this shift.
Just keep moving. Keep the blood pumping.
Go back. Waiting for orders.
In this sewer.
Here comes another one.
Whoa. What the hell? There's like gas everywhere. Where would a valve for it be? Oh, it's above, right. Whoops.
Moving from current position.
Might be able to get in there. Oh, I know this place. This is where I didn't insert that thing for K.
Problems already. You spotted something?
Good cop, bad cop, I already know.
Can't defend against that kind of team. Was that you? Let's go.
Get out of my fucking way!
Oh, this is hilarious. Are they gonna fall down yet? Let me test this out. Bomb. Ooh. What the fuck are you thinking, mate? Don't do that. Guys. Guys. These guys are immortal. Oh, that looks weird. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother disarming that. Oh my god. Yeah, well, I got him, and yeah. Anyway, that was funny. Stop coughing. Stop coughing. I hate it. I really, really hate it.